Hey guys, hi, welcome back. So in this video, we will discuss the syllabus of CSI, NET, JEST, GATE, and IIT JAM. The syllabus is of mathematical physics. So first we will see, just we will have a lookout of the other syllabuses because we will have a detail on the CSI and NET examination syllabus later on. So these are the two slides, which is the syllabus for CSI and NET, right? The next, this is GATE 2021 syllabus which I have taken from the official website. So here also you will have the linear vector space. We will discuss the basis, orthogonality and completeness. In matrices we will be discussing. We will discuss the vector calculus, linear differential equations, the complex part. We will go through the Laplace transform, Fourier analysis, also the tensor part. Next, if you see the JES syllabus, it is almost same. So I want to read it again. You can just have a look to the entire syllabus. And the last one is IIT JAM, right? So this is the IIT JAM part. So in case of IIT JAM, I would like to say that it is almost same as CSI, NET, GATE, and JEST examination. A few topics are excluded and a few topics are added in case of IIT JAM. All right. So this is the IIT JAM syllabus. In case of IIT JAM, we will see the Jacobian. This part, Jacobian imperfect and perfect differential. This part is there. All right. The Fourier series, Taylor expansion, and in case of matrices, if you see, we will see the eigenvalues, eigenvectors, we will see the diagonalization of matrix, function of matrix, which all of us has done in the HS examinations, right? In higher secondary, all of us have discussed these things, determinants, and we will see the algebra of complex numbers. So when you see the entire syllabus of all the four examination, you will see this all the topics we have already studied in our BSc level, in our HS level, right? Also in the masters. Now let's come to the CSI net part. So the first slide, it is discussed all about the core topics. Okay, in the first part, it is all about the core topics. So you will get in CSI net, when you will see the mathematical physics parts, it is having an average of 35 marks. I'm taking an average of 35 marks. It might be 30 to 40, you can say, right? So the first topic here is the dimensional analysis, vector algebra and calculus, and linear algebra. So from this part, you will get 3.5 marks questions. All right. Next is the matrices, where you will get the Cayley-Hamilton theorem, eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So from this also you will get questions of 3.5 marks. And I would like to say these questions are really easy. The only thing is that you must know the entire thing about matrices or any other topic, because the questions are not complicated. The language is complicated. All right. Next is the linear differential equations. We will see both the first and second order. In special functions, we will talk about the Hermite, Legendre, Bessel, and Laguerre functions. We will see the Fourier series, and I have planned to start the Fourier series, the first topic of my lectures. So if you want me to start any other topic, then you can suggest me in the comment box. We will also talk about the Laplace and Fourier transform. From here also you will get 3.5 marks. This you might get from, in case of special functions, the questions might be of 5 marks also, 3.5 also. All right. Then complex is also a really important part, because you will get questions every year. There are questions from complex. Okay, so you might get questions of 3.5 marks also and 5 marks also. So never ever skip complex part. Clear? Because you will get a question related to the residue. You might be given a functions or any graph type something. Okay, the thing is that complex will have at least 5 marks question. One question is there, it's for sure. And the last part is elementary, about the probability. Okay, in case of probability, you might get questions in part A also, in reasoning. Okay, and the last is the central limit theorem, Poisson's, because probability is like a very small part. Okay, but the thing is that if you can attempt the question of probability, you can get easily 3.5 marks. And if you take the first part, then you will have 5.5 marks as a whole, right? Next, if you see, this is the advanced part. So in advanced part, we will discuss the Green's function. We will see the Laplace, wave and heat equations in both 2 and 3 dimensions. We will see the numerical techniques. All right. We will see the integration by trapezoidal Simpson's rule, 1 by third, 3 by 8, all these things. We will see interpolation, extrapolation. this Range Kutta method. From this also questions may arise sometimes. Finite differential methods. So this is also a very important part. All right. In advanced part, this is a very, very important part. All right. We will see the tensors, the basic we will see about tensors and group theory. So these all part we will see, and we will go in a steady way so that we can cover all the topics. And I want that we should not miss even a small definition also. And after completing the entire syllabus, we will discuss about the questions of CSR NET, JAS, TIFR, okay, GATE, and also we will see some questions from HK Das. All right. So now let's see some books. Why I have mentioned about HK Das? Because two books are very good for mathematical physics. First is the HK Das and Advanced Engineering book, right? Beside that, if you are not comfortable with this book, you can also follow these other books also. Clear? But if you see all the notes from different institutes, coaching institutes, online it is available. You can go and have a survey. There also all the notes are from these books only. All right. So if you want, you can download those books also, which is available. If you are not comfortable with that and you want to follow the book, then it's well and good. You can go for the books. The ebooks will be available online. If you can, and if you cannot find it, you can comment me in the comment section. I will give you. Okay. So these are four really important books, and I think all of you are having at least HK Das books. This is what I'm expecting, because in the master's levels also, BSc levels also, we have used this book. So that's all in this video. In the next video, we will start with Fourier series. And if you are wanting me to start any other topic, then you can comment me in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a good day.